Hi everyone, Hermano here, welcome to the channel. Today is not a tutorial, it's more kind of a Christmassy thing, although I'm still working on a video for next year. I just want to thank all of you for watching our content and subscribing to our channel. It has been a pleasure producing this content for you guys in the last 5 weeks. We are still very new on YouTube and we have some new content coming up next year. We have some new tutorials, we have also some new hardware reviews which will be new to the channel and some more other stuff. Let me also say a big thank you also to Alex, my head of social media, who has been doing a phenomenal job in the last months with me. Thank you so much, Alex, for your hard work. And make sure that you come to our website and read also our blog post about social media. Alex wrote lots of awesome stuff about that. So I wish all of you a great holiday season, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll see you back here in January 2020 with some more Linux and some more tutorials. Have fun guys and see you soon. Take care.